Hi friends, now I'm showing write a C++ program to use bitwise operator to determine whether a number is odd or even. So this was very important operator. That bitwise means AND operator. So here the bitwise operator is, so here this is the operator, and I have to show whether the given number is odd or even. So now we have, first I have to write a program. So I have to write a very easy program, very simple program. So here this is the program, and this is the very simple program to easy to understand everyone. So now here first I have to explain this program step by step. After that we have to compile and execute it. So now here first this is a header file, that is a hash include iostream.h, that means input output stream.h. So every C++ program and C program you must give the header files. So header files are most important in this programming language. So iostream means input output stream. So in the C++ program we have to give the cout and cin statement. That statement we have to give the input output statement, we have to give the input output stream.h. So otherwise the C++ compiler doesn't take the cout and cin values. So now we have to use the printf and scanf statements in the C++. We have to use the stdio.h. So now here this is the main function. So here this is the main function, and here this is the int input. So here we have to take the integer and we have to put the input. So now here this is the input variable. We have to take the integer. Now in the cout, what number you want to test. So here what number you want to test, we have entered an input. So now here is cin and cout. Cout means printing and cin is scanning, so like in pref, printf and scanf. So now what number you have tested, that is input, we have to give it. So now if input and 1, so what's this, this is the bitwise operator is used at here, that is the input and 1. So was is the true if result is 1. So here the input value is equal to 1. So here cout, the number input is odd. So here the input is 1, then is odd. So now else the number is even. So here this is the way to find the even or odd number using the bitwise operator. So this time I have to compile and type program in my computer, and I have to compile and execute it. So here first we have to search for the turbo C++ IDE. So in the C program, and we have go to the TC and this bin. So here we have to find the TC here. So here we have to find it. So now, so in that we have to find. So here this is the program, and this is the turbo C. So what is this is the turbo C++ IDE is there. So in the turbo C the mouse has not worked, in the turbo C++ the mouse has been worked. So now click on file, now click new. So here the new file has been created like C. So this time we have to type the program. Now hash include iostream.h. now main int input, we have to take that. Now cout, what number do you want me to test. So now I have to close that. So now we have to scan this, that is the input. If input and 1, so now input is 1. So now we have to open the brace, that is the cout, the number input is odd. Now backslash n, I have to close this. Now else cout, the number the number input is even backslash n. We have to close this. So now here return 0. So the program has successfully typed it here. This time I have to compile this file. So in the C and C++, I have to compile the file. Press Alt plus F9. Now press Alt plus F9. So here there is the lines compiled is 892. The warnings is 0 and others is 0. So the program is correct. There is no more errors there. So this time I have to execute this program. In the C and C++, you have to execute the program. Press Alt plus F9. So what number do you want test? So I have test the 56. So now here the program will executed, but the output has not seen because you do not give the getch method. So yeah, here you have to see the output. So press Alt plus F5. So here the number 56 is even. So that is correct. Now again I have to execute that. So here we have to give the 57. So now here we have Alt plus F5. The number 57 is odd. So here this is the way to use the bitwise operator to determine whether number is even or odd. So this is the program, and thanks for watching my video. Thank you.